Hi guys! Unboxing today. Let's unbox tayo. Tagal ko na rin hindi naka-unbox. So, welcome back. Welcome back para sa akin today. So, this is from Joanna Succulents. This is all cactus pala guys ha. Cactus. This is all cactus. So, ayan siya. Medyo nahula siya konti. So, cactus number 1 is this. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Para siyang columnar na daydream. Ayan. So, this is cactus number 1. Unbox natin. Then, cactus number 2. Medyo makapal ang kanyang tissue guys. Pero at least safe yung mga halaman. Ang ibang seller is na-appreciate ko talaga yung kanilang mga packaging kasi safe na safe yung plants. So this plant, may ID ito, and this is Orangie. This plant name is Orangie. Okay? Cactus number 3. So unbox natin ito. Isa. Lahat pala sila nakapatted. Nakapatted na siya na ship ng seller. So, okay din yung nakapat at least. Wala ka ng hindi ka na maghanap ng pot. Pero, sometimes, malaki kasi yung cactus. So, you need to transfer the plant from a bigger pot. So, this one is another pretty one kasi para siyang may mga variegation sa lahat ng kanyang mga ribs. Perfect pattern ang tawag dito, guys. Yan. Lahat ng rib niya is my pattern. This is perfect pattern. Next one. Next is this one. This is pretty also. And the ID of this is Red Tiger. Red Tiger ang kanyang ID. Ayan. Maganda din siya kasi parang perfect bar and perfect pattern. This is Red Tiger. Next one. Ito pala siya. Ayan, may mga babies na siya sa top. Ayan, oh. As you can see, may mga babies na. Ayan. Tingnan mo siya. Mga ganyan. Pattern din. Parang tiger pattern. And may mga baby sa top. So, yun yung lahat na na-unbox natin today. And meron siyang pa-free na isa. So, thank you for this sa free seller, Ma'am Joanna. Salamat masyado sa freebies. Ayan. Maganda. See? Inner mist. Clumping inner mist. Thank you so much. Ang ganda. I hope you enjoy my unboxing today guys. So, see you again on my another plant mail. Bye! Have a nice day!